Okay, hey, I'm going to show you how to engrave let me get my fingers working here, a dog tag. Little bitty dog tag. So what I do is I've got it in my design space, and I just know I have to, I just have that dog bone on there for the heck of it. It's not really for any purpose other than height wise. I just know that I have to have my names 1 inch. They can't go over 1. So I just have it there as just a reminder. So I'm going to hide my dog bone because we don't want it to cut. And I'm just left with the name. And I've made sure I've made it in Engrave. See, here you go here and make sure you've got it in Engrave instead of cut. Right down there. And then we're going to just click Make It. And it's going to put it on my mat. And I'm going to go get the name. And I'm going to drag it. Maybe. Since I think my fingers are dry and my mat don't want to follow me. I'm taking it to line 6. It's just a good center on the mat that I want to use. Now I'll blow it up real good for you here. And I want to put the center of my N on that center line there. Just like so. You gotta see that. Let me drop this down and over. Now you can see it better. I just use my N as my center mark. So I'm going to come over here to my mat. And I want to put my little dog bone on my center marks here. And I think I'm a little high. So I think I'll use my B as my center. Just make sure your N, N's in the center on your center line, and the B is the center of your cross line. And then you're going to put your little dog bone on here using all your marks. Just use your center dips there on your center lines and your center up and down. Make sure everything's centered. And then I use painter's tape. And I'm just going to tear it down I'm going to tear it down the center this way. And then I'm going to tear it down the center this way. And I'm going to go across the top of it here. And across the bottom. And then I'm going to tear this one in two. And I'm going to catch the ends here. Because you don't want your bone moving. Now, just make sure you press it all the way down real good and around it. That way it's not going to move. Just like that. Now, I'm not going to carry you over to my machine because I'll make you drunk. But I'm going to I'm going to go ahead and hit continue here on my design space. And then I'm going to go here and set my material as soon as it comes up. Down here I have stainless steel already in my favorites. So I'm going to click stainless steel. And that's telling me to go over to my machine and go ahead and load it and make sure everything's in that I need. And I've got my engraving tool in. So I'm just going to go over to the engraver, the Cricut machine, and go ahead and run this in and then let it engrave, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's quick, so it's done. And so you're seeing this just like I am, so I'm hoping it's centered and I hope it looks good. So if I made a mistake, you're going to learn with me. So I'm hoping and praying I got it. Yep, it's there. And I'm just using the tape to go across it to pick up any loose metal shavings, because you don't want those in your fingers. Yep, there it is. You guys see that? I don't know if it's gonna... I don't know if you guys can see it or not. I'm trying to get the glare off of it. Now, it's so hard for me to see from where I'm at. Well, it's on there, I promise you. I know you can't. It's probably hard to see. And I don't think I can zoom in. Trying to get it to where you guys can see it, but I'm not working too good back here. I'm just bumping it. Let's see if I can come in closer. I think it's trying to pick up on my fingers before it does that. So I wonder if I hold it with something. Let's see if I can hold it with something and see if it'll... Now, can you see that? Wow, the glare. I apologize, guys. It's on there. And it looks pretty dang good. I don't know why it's not wanting to pick it up. Because it's so tiny, or... I'll take a picture. That way you guys can see it really good. Okay, thanks for watching.